manifesto yakhe.
I went to you weren't lying about Coop, shame.
I was not lying.
I know.
Oh, I was not lying. No, I wasn't. You'll never see a manifesto UTM. Ayiko.
Oh, UTM.
Ayiko manifesto yakhe. Unokuvuka sana. Sicela sonke. We won. One member. UTM member one. Uyu mnikazi wayo. Uyu member ye UTM. Ungokusendela email ukuthi sine uzoza. Send. Maceda la receive yena vie. Ene bengekho ready yazi. I'll check my schedule and ask my secretary. Send. The secretary,
Just like Brajay.
No, but you heard what he did though.
Yeah, Brajay, uchoma barangasho. Uchoma ngasho. Lendenza uchoma iko right. Uchoma sonu ye yonke into kuJomo Cosmos. Uyi own Jomo Cosmos. Uyi coach Jomo Cosmos. Uyi technical director. Uyi drive ibhasi. Uyi
security.
Use ma player mawulimele uyongena ngespray namanzi. And then ujambona uBrajomo sangakanani. Thatha isikhathi ukufika center. Ubona iplayer limele. Athi yo, woza kimi manga. Brajomo awuthikala kahle. Some headlines, but Brajomo. Ngathi uphethe ikhula bhoka hayi. Umkhabi. Yeah. Brajomo pha 2 liters yamanzi. Brajomo ucabanga ukuthi ukuphi kahle.
Black Box, BLK, BOX.
Bravo. Mara lento ukhulunywa ukhumutso ofe. Lo sesuthini kulama lyrics ngaphandle kwe everybody.
No, but guys, you're making a mistake here. This song was written by Thembisiet.
Oh, it's needs the diz.
Yeah.
I keep on telling you, she didn't say that Uthembi, it was a label.
No, but this is for the context.